Hey, so in honor of the 1 year anniversary of one of my favorite fruit reviews to date, the fruit salad, which you should go check out right now if you haven't seen it first. It's amazing. I'm going to share with you another one of my favorite salad recipes. I'm not going to walk you through the preparation because I already did it, and because if I have to edit a 30-40 minute video again, I will die. But here's the salad. I pirated the salad recipe from the overpriced bistro across the street from my apartment. Like, I just went there one day when I was really depressed, and I had the salad, and it was like, wow, this is really good. I'm just going to make this, and now I just make this. And it's incredible. So, here's what we got. It's a salad. The base is whatever you want. I just used mixed baby greens, so this looks like mostly arugula. Yeah, arugula and something else maybe, not spinach. I don't see any spinach in here. Spinach would be okay with this though. But, so here's the catch. Before you start anything else with this salad, you want to take one large red bell pepper and cut it up. Cut it into like finger-sized pieces and start sauteing that in some salt. And then pour in, once they've started to pick up a little bit of color, a little bit of softness, pour in a can of black beans. And then you take that mixture and you flavor it however you want. I used soy sauce, garlic powder, cayenne, and cumin, because I know what I'm about. So then just cook that until all the spices sort of get into everything. So then you stick that at the bottom of the bowl, you add the greens, and then you add on top of this an avocado that you cut up, a cucumber that you cut up, and some feta, and then you just squeeze a lime over the whole thing. So that's the recipe, that's literally it. That is the recipe. So you have your bean mix, greens, avocado, lime, cucumber, feta. Did I say feta cheese? I'm not sure if I said feta cheese. You put feta cheese in here as well. And that's the salad. And I really enjoyed just eating it. And it's like delicious. You get, like, the lime is definitely supposed to be the moneymaker of this salad. Like, you take a bite and it's lime first. Anything else that happens to get into your mouth second. And it's really kind of fun because every single bite of this salad is something different. Like, are you gonna get a cucumber bite? Crisp and refreshing. Are you gonna get a feta bite? Nice and earthy. You're gonna get a beans bite? Love whatever spices you put in there. And then the avocado is there for just really nice texture. And just the whole experience is so lovely. And another thing that this recipe works out for really well is proportions. Because when you buy like a box of pre-washed salad greens, which I do because I never learned how to make salad greens out of vegetables, you get about 2 servings worth of greens in there. And when you do the bean preparation with a can of black beans and a large red bell pepper, you get 2 servings of that stuff too. So and then when you get a cucumber, depending on how much cucumber you like, you get either 2 or 3 servings of cucumber in one of those large cucumbers. Not really sure what they're called. I should know my cucumber varietals. That's a good fruit. I should know my cucumber varietals. Next fruit review, cucumber varietals. I'm on it. Got it. Yeah, you end up with basically 2 servings plus a tiny little bit of leftovers no matter how you chop it when you make this salad. And it's just absolutely delicious. That's all. I hope that you enjoyed watching me eat salad from a bowl that was just barely off camera. And I hope that you have a pleasant day as pleasant as possible in this deeply decaying world of ours. Thank you very much.